Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some previous year questions for puzzles. So these questions came in your SSC MTS examinations. The shift of the examination, the date of the examination is given over here for the reference. Now let us start with question number 1. 5 men O1, O2, O3, O4 and O5 are sitting around a circular table. So this is a question of circular seating arrangement. Circular seating arrangement. So this is a question on seating arrangement. We can have multiple types of question on seating arrangement. This one belongs to a circular seating arrangement and they are facing opposite to the center. So opposite to the center means away from the center. So we have 5 men who are facing away from the center. Clear? Now, not necessarily in the same order. That means these are jumbled up. These are not in this order. Only one man is sitting between O4 and O5 in clockwise direction. So what is your clockwise direction? So if you see a clock, okay, the hands of a clock move like this in this direction, correct? This is your clockwise direction. Similarly, if you see a clock and the hands move in the opposite direction like this, it is called the anti-clockwise direction. It is called the anti-clockwise direction. So, only one man is sitting between O4 and O5 in clockwise direction. Clockwise means that if O4 and O5 is over here, this is your clockwise direction, then one person is sitting between them. So, we can have two possibilities now. We can have two possibilities that O5 is here and O4 is here and the other one. Okay? Now, only one man is sitting between O3 and O4 in clockwise direction. Again, clockwise means O3 will be here and in this particular situation, O5 is here and if I look at clockwise, O3 will be here. Okay? O1 is sitting to the immediate left of O3. So, immediate left of O3, that means O1 will be over here, correct? In this particular case, in the first possibility, immediate left of O3 will be over here. But here we also already have O5, so this will not be correct. So, we will continue with this one. The only person remaining is O2. So, I can place O2 here. It is given O1 is sitting to the immediate left of O3. We have utilized this information. We have to answer who is sitting third from the left of O2. So O2 is over here. Third from the left will be 1, 2, 3. Third from the left of O2 will be O1. My answer will be option number 3, O1. Clear? Coming to question number 2. Question number 2, Ajay, Preeti, Rakesh, Mehak, Saloni and Yogesh are sitting in a row facing north. So this is a question on linear seating arrangement. Correct? This is a question on linear seating arrangement. So there are how many friends? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 friends that are facing north. So north means they will be facing this direction. If they are facing north, this will be the right direction and this will be the left direction. Correct? So 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my right end and this is my left end. Correct? Now, it is given to us that Saloni and Yogesh are sitting in the center. So if Saloni and Yogesh are sitting in the center, that means Saloni can sit here and Yogesh can sit here. Correct? Or Yogesh can sit here and Saloni can sit over here. We will have two possibilities now. Because it is not told to us whether Yogesh is to the right of Saloni or Saloni is to the right of Yogesh. That is not mentioned up till now. So we can have two possibilities. Ajay and Preeti are at the ends. So now we can have Ajay over here or we can have Preeti over here. Similarly, we can have Ajay over here and we can have Preeti over here because they sit at the ends. Rakesh is sitting to the immediate left of Ajay. So if Ajay is sitting over here, Rakesh has to sit immediate left and there is no position left to Ajay. That means Ajay is not sitting over here. So Ajay will be sitting over here. Correct? Ajay will be sitting over here and Rakesh is to the immediate left of Ajay. Correct? So we have fixed position for Preeti, we have fixed position for Rakesh, and we have fixed position for Ajay. The positions of Saloni and Yogesh are interchangeable. We can have this possibility or we can have this possibility. So only one person is remaining, Mehak. So I can say Mehak will sit over here. Mehak's position is also fixed. So these four positions are fixed. These two positions of Saloni and Yogesh are interchangeable. Now, what does the question ask? The question asks who is sitting to the immediate right of Preeti. So, Preeti is over here. Immediate right of Preeti will be Mehak. My answer will be option number 3, Mehak. Let's say the question asked who is sitting to the immediate right of Mehak. Now, in this case, if the question asked who is sitting to the immediate right of Mehak, we will say that the data is not adequate to answer because it could be Saloni or Yogesh. But in this case, Mehak is at a fixed position. Therefore, to the immediate right of Preeti, we will have Mehak. That is option number 3. So, option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, coming to question number 3. Question number 3 says that there are 6 people, Ambika, Charu, Riya, Ashi, Rahul and Ajay, that are sitting in a straight row facing north. So again a question on linear seating arrangement. Linear seating arrangement. So they are facing north. North means, if they are facing north, that means this will be to the right side and this will be to the left side. Correct? This will be the right side, this will be the left side. Now, it is given to us that only 2 people sit between Rahul and Riya. So let's say there are 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is given to us that 2 people sit between Rahul and Riya. So it could be like this, correct? Or it could also be like this. Correct? Now, neither Ajay nor Riya is sitting at any of the corners. So we will not have Ajay also here and we will not have Riya also. Similarly, over here we will not have Ajay and we will not have Riya. So how many possibilities we can make? First possibility is, let's say this is the left end and this is the right end. The first possibility is that Rahul is over here. After 2 positions we have Riya. Correct? The other possibility is Rahul is over here and after 2 people we have Riya. Now Riya cannot be at the ends, means these are the 2 possibilities that we can continue with. Okay. Ashi is sitting second to the left of Riya. So Ashi is sitting second to the left means Ashi will sit in this position. And in this case, Ashi will sit in this position. Because Ashi is sitting second to the left of Riya. Okay. Ajay and Charu are immediate neighbors. Ajay cannot be at the end. So Ajay cannot be at the end. So Ajay will be here and Charu will be here. In possibility number 1. Possibility number 2, I can see that no 2 empty positions are there together because they are immediate neighbors. We need 2 empty positions together, correct? So this will be a false possibility because we don't have 2 people sitting together. So the only person remaining in possibility number 1 is Ambika. That means Ambika will come in this position. So my final position will be this one, that is Rahul, Ashi, Ambika, Riya, Ajay and Charu. Now what does the question ask? The question asks who is sitting to the right of Ashi. To Ashi is over here. To the right of Ashi we have Ambika. So my answer will be option number 3, Ambika. Okay? Answer will be option number 3, Ambika. Moving on to question number 4. Question number 4 asks among 7 brothers. So there are 7 brothers. Aman, Bunty, Chintu, Deepak, Ishan, Hari and Golu. Bunty is taller than only. So this is taller than. Basically this is a comparison based puzzle. Correct? This is a comparison based puzzle. Now what does the question ask? That there are 7 brothers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This I am taking to be the taller side and this I am taking to be the shorter side. Okay? It is given to us Bunty is taller than only 4 others. So that means Bunty will be in this position because Bunty is taller than only 4 people. Correct? Chintu is taller than Deepak. So let us hold this information that Chintu is taller than Deepak. Okay. Aman is taller than Hari. Let us hold this information also. Aman is taller than Hari. Clear? Ishan is taller than only Golu. That means Golu will be the shortest because Ishan is taller than only Golu. And it is also given in the question that Golu is the shortest among all brothers. So Ishan is taller than only Golu. So now we have two positions, Chintu, Deepak and Aman Hari, that we have to place in these four empty positions. It is given to us that Bunty is taller than Aman. If Bunty is taller than Aman, Aman will come here and we will have Hari over here. Correct? Now we are left with Chintu and Deepak. Chintu and Deepak. So Chintu and Deepak, it is given to us that Chintu is taller than Deepak. So Chintu will come here and Deepak will come here. So this will be my final arrangement where Chintu is taller than Deepak. Deepak is taller than Bunty. Bunty is taller than Aman. Aman is taller than Hari. Hari is taller than Ishan. And Ishan is taller than Golu. So no two brothers have same height. That is why we have this arrangement. We have to find out who is the tallest among the 7 brothers. So the tallest person is Chintu. My answer will be option number 3, Chintu. Correct? This will be my answer, option number 3. Clear? Moving on to question number 5. Question number 5 says that there are 6 friends that are sitting around a circular table. So again, a circular seating arrangement question. Circular seating arrangement. Now, 6 people are there sitting around a circular table facing the center. So, let's say I am drawing over here 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 people are there facing towards the center of the table. Aman is sitting second right to Sneha. So, if Sneha is over here, Aman is second to the right of Sneha. That means Aman will be over here. Aman is sitting second to the right of Sneha. Tushar is immediate left to Sneha. So Tushar will be here, immediate left to Sneha. Ritika is not the immediate neighbor of either Sneha or Tushar. That means Ritika cannot come here and Ritika cannot come here because she is not sitting immediately next to Sneha or Tushar. So we have only one position where we can place Ritika. So Ritika's place is also finalized. Okay? Ritika is sitting second to the right of Prerna. So if Ritika is second to the right, that means Prerna will be over here. Ritika is sitting second to the right of Prerna. So we have only one empty position. One empty position. Sharik is sitting between Ritika and Tushar. So over here we will have Sharik. So this will be my final arrangement. This will be my final arrangement. The question asks who is immediate neighbors of both Tushar and Prerna. So immediate neighbor of both Tushar and Prerna will be Sneha. My answer will be option number 4, Sneha. Clear? My answer will be option number 4, Sneha. Moving on to question number 6. Question number 6 says that there are 6 girls K, L, M, N, O and P that are sitting in a straight line facing north. So this is a question on linear seating arrangement. So 6 girls that are facing north. So if they are facing north, this will be the right direction. This will be the left direction. Correct? So 6 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is my right hand and this is my left hand. Okay? L is between P and K. So L is between P and K. This is one possibility, or L is between P and K, other possibility. O is third to the left of K. O is third to the left means 1, 2, O is over here, or 1, 2, O is over here. In this position we have two possibilities. N is third to the right of L. So third to the right of L, first possibility. 1, 2, 3, N is over here, or 1, 2, 3, N is over here. If you look at possibility 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions. And in the question, we have only 6 girls. So we cannot have 8 positions. This is incorrect. Coming to the first one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this we have 6 positions, so this one is correct. I can place O, P, L, K, one empty position and N. Okay? Now, the only person remaining is M, so M will come over here. Let us confirm this from the question. The question says K is to the immediate left of M. And K is definitely to the immediate left of M. M is between K and N, which is also true. Okay, so this is my final arrangement. This is my final arrangement. The question asks who is sitting between O and L. So O is O here, L is here. Who is sitting between them? P. So my answer will be option number 3, P. Okay? This will be my answer. This is the arrangement. Coming to question number 7. Question number 7 says that there are 8 friends that are sitting anti-clockwise around a circular table. So, let's say there are 8 friends, okay? And they are facing the center also. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 friends sitting around a circular table anti-clockwise. So, I told you, if this is my clock and I move in this direction away from the clock in the opposite direction, this is anti-clockwise. This is anti-clockwise. I am moving away from the minute hand, because imagine if this is your 12th hand, it rotates like this, correct? And if I move in the opposite direction, it will be anti-clockwise. Okay? Now it is given to us T is sitting at the northeast direction. So do you remember the directions we discussed in following direction? So in total we have 4 primary directions: north, south, east, west, correct? And then we have secondary directions. Secondary directions are at 45 degrees from the primary directions. So this is called northeast, this is called southeast, this is called southwest, and this is called northwest. Remember, this we discussed in following directions. The question says T is sitting at the northeast. That means, let us say T is sitting at this position. T is sitting at the northeast. Correct? T is sitting at the northeast position. So they are sitting anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means I will have my U over here, V, W, P, Q, R, S and T. So do you see the flow? If I start from P, I am moving in this direction. Correct? If I start from P, I am moving in this direction, and this direction is the anti-clockwise direction. Okay? This direction is the anti-clockwise direction. So now they are sitting in anti-clockwise direction. The question asks who is sitting in the west direction. So if this is northeast, this will be east, and just opposite to that we will have west. So who is sitting at the west direction? We will have W at the west direction. So my answer will be option number 4, W. Clear? My answer will be option number 4, W. Okay? Coming to question 8. 8 students are there that are sitting in a circular table equidistant from each other, same sequence in anti-clockwise direction, facing the center. So again, same concept of anti-clockwise direction. So we have how many people? Let me draw it over here. We have 8 students, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me draw the directions. So we have 4 primary directions: north, south, east, west. And then we have some secondary directions that are at 45 degrees. So we have northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. Correct? Now, it is given to us that B is seated in the northeast direction. So northeast means this direction. This is your northeast direction. And they are sitting in which direction? Anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise means like this. This is your anti-clockwise direction. So after B, I will have C, D, E, F, G, H and A. So they are sitting in anti-clockwise direction. Look from A. Then B, C, D, E, F, G, H, they are sitting in anti-clockwise direction. And B is in the northeast. Okay? B is in the northeast. So we have to find out the direction of H. The direction of H. So if this is northeast, this will be east. Correct? And if this is east, this will be southeast. So H will be in the southeast direction. Option number 4. Option number 4 says southeast. So this will be the correct answer. Okay? Moving on to question number 9. Question number 9 says that there are 5 people V, W, X, Y and Z that are sitting along a round table facing the center. So again a circular seating arrangement question. Circular seating arrangement. So there are 5 people that are facing the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 people facing the center. V is sitting second to the right of W. So if W is here, V is second to the right. That means 1 and 2, V will be over here. Second to the right of W. And W is second to the right of X. So if W is second to the right of X, X will be over here. W is second to the right of X. Okay? It is given to us that Y is sitting adjacent to X. So adjacent to X, we have only this position. So Y will be sitting over here. Y is sitting adjacent to X. Now, who have we placed? We have placed V, we have placed W, we have placed X and Y. The only person remaining is Z, so I can place Z over here. Now that I have placed Z, we have to answer who is the immediate left of V. So this is my final arrangement. Correct? Who is to the immediate left? To the immediate right. This will be the right direction. We have X. And to the immediate left of V, we have Z. So my answer will be option number 1, Z. Clear? Option number 1, Z will be my answer. Coming to question number 10. Question number 10 says that there are 7 people A, B, C, D, E, F and G that are sitting around a round table facing outwards. Outwards means away from the center. So 7 people facing outwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 people facing outwards. 7 people facing outwards. C is sitting second to the left of A. So if A is over here, second to the left of A will be this. C is sitting second to the left of A, but to the immediate right of D. That means C is sitting to the immediate right of D. D will be over here. C is sitting to the immediate right of D and second to the left of A. Okay? B is third to the right of A. So if A is over here, third to the right will be 1, 2, 3. B will be over here. B will be third to the right of A and G and E are sitting between them. Between who? Between B and A. So B is third to the right of A. G and E are sitting between them. So G and E are sitting between A and B. That means over here I can have G or E. It is not given to us whether E is to the right of G or G is to the right of E. So I can have both of them. Okay. So the only person remaining is F. So that means F will be over here. We had placed A, B, C, D. E and G are confused. We don't know where they sit. And F we have a fixed position for. We have to find the location of F. We have to find the location of F. So F is over here. Okay. Location of F is basically to the left of A or to the, if you look at C, it is to the right of C. Correct? Let us look at the options. Option number 1 say between C and D. No, it is between C and A. So this is incorrect. Right of A. No, it is to the left of A. So this is also incorrect. Left of D. No, it is second to the right of D. If you look over here, option number 4 is also eliminated. Option number 3 is the correct answer. That is right of C. It is to the immediate right of C. So F's location is fixed, which is to the right of C. If in the question we were asked what is the location of G or E, then we could not answer because it is uncertain. Then we would have a fifth option that would say data not adequate or data not sufficient. Data not adequate or data not sufficient. We would have something like this if we were asked position for G and E because they were not fixed. But in this question, we were asked position of F, which is fixed. So answer is there, right of C. Okay, clear? This is the arrangement. G and E are not fixed. Okay. So in this particular lecture, we did a lot of questions from SSC MTS. In the next lecture also, we will discuss some previous year questions. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.